Greetings and welcome to Lime Intelligence HQ. It was great recently to have the opportunity to meet with you and learn more about your business. We are excited to share with you how having easier access to your data can not only save you time and efficiencies and thus costs, but also help you identify new revenue opportunities. To recap, Lime is all about opening your eyes to what is possible. We use our purpose-built online platform to house all your data and combine multiple sets of data into one central location. So having that single source of truth is super critical in this day and age. We also give you the ability to answer key questions that you might come up without having to go and chase a staff member or wait for days to get the answer to that result. You can get it instantly and take immediate action. The capability of being able to be more agile and flexible is critical now with this post-COVID environment more than ever. And at Lime, we take the data and we take the time to work out what your needs are, what's going to be critical to you. We brainstorm that with you, and then we get something that's specifically relevant to you. So we set up a tailored solution. Essentially, we navigate, you drive, that simple. We also manage the back end, so taking out all that tech headache, things like where do I store the data, licensing costs for software, understanding how to get access for the information for multiple team members, and also looking at how you actually ongoing improve that piece of equipment as well. How do you make sure that software keeps up to date with time? We do all of that for you. It's all done, all taken care of. And while some companies might consult on a one-off basis, set you up with a product and then let you go, at Lime we really pride ourselves on the ongoing service and partnership. So we don't just set and forget. We help you to teach your teams how to use the data, identify how things evolve with your business. We're constantly making changes and adding in more tailored solutions as you get to know your data better. You'll always want more, guarantee it. So we don't set and forget. We work with you in partnership ongoing. So today I wanted to give you a refresh on what Lime looks like, and we look forward to partnering with you in the future, and let the magic begin.
Lime starts with a dashboard, giving you all the highlights of what's happening from a flight perspective at your airport. You can hover over the data to see a little bit more information with tooltips and change and play around with the filters to see whatever you need to see. 12-month view, for example. And then you go up to the menu here with Lime and you can see there's a range of reports. All these reports are designed based on our 60 plus years of experience in our team of working in airport management roles. Everything from operations, finance, business development, you name it. So all these reports here give you the end game. Then you can go into them, for example, this COVID report. And this will tell you day by day what happened over COVID. And you can drag this little filter out here to give you a 12-month view. And again, you can choose the filters here to play around, look at just Jetstar, Qantas, any airline. Back up to annual results, everything from year-on-year comparisons. How well am I doing this month or this year compared to last year for key metrics? If you want to get the data out, save and share, exit to PDF, an image to put into a presentation, or export to Excel, and it drops the file down here on the bottom of your desktop for you then to open. Each report gives you a different option for how you want to view the data, and all of them have tooltips to help you delve down into more insights. We also have a lot of operational reports which can be found more in the detailed section, and aircraft type reports. For example, busy hour. What was my key movement profile like, time of day over the last month? You might select a particular date range. You might then say, actually, I just want to see movements if you're looking at apron, for example. And again, inbound or outbound, or by airline, or if you have international flights, you might look at domestic or international. And there are multiple views of this data. This one splits it out by airline, by time of day of the week. In the scheduling module, which is due to go live soon, you'll also be able to see forward busy hour. Commercial, again, looking at what my key metrics are from a commercial perspective, including external stakeholder reports ready to go. This way, you can track how you have been performing from a trend point of view in your commercial versus your passengers. When I'm increasing my passengers, how is my revenue following? And what's the split of revenue? And all of these reports are able to be manipulated by using filters, looking at revenue, turnover, transactions, yield per passenger, passenger spend rate. Easy to get this information with a few clicks. We have lots of graphs, but we also have the detailed tables depending on what you need the information for. We've added a new commercial COVID report looking at how you've tracked from a passenger spend rate and a total airport revenue point of view over the COVID period or the last 12-month period. So again, looking at car park, showing you how you've been tracking by time of day, days of the week, where my most transactions are. For example, you can see here my number of transactions when they occurred, entry and exits out of the car park, and how much is that contributing to my revenue. And car park occupancy, one of the key things that's quite challenging. And again, you can look at this by ticket type, whether it's online, drive up, for example, or by product. Just a quick snapshot of what's to come in Lime.